नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं राजेश कुमार स्टडी सर्वर चैनल में आपका करता हूं। आज मैं आपके लिए 30 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एमएस पावर पॉइंट के लेके आया हूं जो परीक्षा में बार बार आते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। खालिस्तान इज ए प्रेजेंटेशन प्रोग्राम। एमएस पावर पॉइंट। In PowerPoint, the header and footer button can be found on the Insert tab in what group? Text group. Which is not valid edition of MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint 1920। The slide that is used to introduce a topic and set the tone for the presentation is called the title slide. The PowerPoint view that display only text, title and bullets is outline view. Time New Roman, Cambria, Arial are the example of font face. What is the default PowerPoint standard layout? Title slide. To center the selected text, the shortcut key is Control E. Which type of view is not present in MS PowerPoint? Extremes animation. Which feature is not MS PowerPoint? Second hand virus. Which feature used to check a spelling of the text? Spelling. Which view help to rearrange the slides easily and quickly? Slide sorter. MS PowerPoint is software of Microsoft. Which is the presentation processing software? MS PowerPoint 2007। Which is the right term of presentation page? Slides. Which term is not related with font program? Khalistan refer to back the object to one level or to all objects. Send to back. Khalistan button reduce the window to an icon button. Sorry, but word still remain active. Minimize. You can use the Khalistan to insert symbol dialog box. Press Khalistan to start presentation from the beginning. F5. Which of the following file format can be added to a PowerPoint show? All of these. Microsoft Office is an application suite. The minimum zoom size in MS PowerPoint is Khalistan 10. The maximum zoom size in MS PowerPoint is 500। In which bar we can see the current position of the slide? Status bar. In slide layout panel, how many layouts are available for text layout by default? 4. Press Khalistan to delete one character to the left. Backspace. Which key on the keyboard can be used to view slideshow? F5. The slide that is used to introduce a related topic and set for presentation is called the title slide. The best way to insert a new slide in a presentation is to use the slide sorter view. धन्यवाद दोस्तों। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।